Look at this, I just need to leave a like, then close the pop-up, and I will make money. Now I can open another one, I can leave a like, I can close it, and I will make money again. I can do this again and again from almost anywhere in the world and without investing any money. Yes, it is completely free, and you can make up to $800 per day using this new website. So first step is to come over to this website called like4like.org. This is the website which you can use to make money by leaving likes on Facebook posts. And if you want, you can use other different social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and many others. So basically, here you will be exchanging a like for a like. Now, if you just exchange your like for a like, you probably won't be able to make any money, but you will need to set it up in a way which I'm about to show you step by step in this video, and then you can actually make a lot of money for those likes. So first of all, I want you to register yourself on this website by clicking on register on top right corner of the site. Then on this page, create your unique username, create a password, enter your email address, click on I agree to terms and conditions, then just click on I'm not a robot and just click on submit button right here. And once you create your account, I want you to log into your account, and this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, now you have many different options available, like bonuses, special offers, free credits and all. But when you're not logged in, you don't have those options. Now, you want to leave it open like that. And second step is to go over to facebook.com and create an account on Facebook if you don't have one already. Now, I will suggest you to create a brand new account for this. So once you create a new account, just log into it. Now, I want you search for Make Money Online in the search bar. Then from these options available, select groups from there and turn on public groups option. Now you will be able to see many different public groups which you can join without any permission, but most of these groups are dead now. So just open up some groups in new tabs, and I want you to find the groups that are still active, where people are still engaging, where people still leave likes to the newest post, read it, and comment on it. So like this one group, here people are leaving likes to each posts made recently. Find some more active groups like this. And once you find 4 to 5 active groups, you want to post something in each of these groups. And here is what you need to post in these Facebook groups. Of course, we can change the lines a little bit, and you can customize it in your own words if you want to. Otherwise, you can just copy and paste the same script from here. Making money online feels so good. If anyone needs some side income, I recommend signing up to this free website. It's really easy. Then you will leave some link next to this, and don't worry, this is going to be really simple. You just need to set up this once. You need to post this once only, and you will start making $3 per like you get on those posts. So, just copy this script and paste it on here in this group post. And before I show you the third platform, like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will help you to get more Make Money Online videos on your YouTube account. So the third step is to go over to afplus.com. And this is a place that allows us to find thousands of different CPA offers that are actually worldwide available. So anyone from anywhere in the world can do it. And if you don't know what CPA is, CPA stands for cost per action, which means we just need to grab a referral link for some of those networks, and whenever someone sign up using our link by entering their first name, last name, and email address, we are gonna get paid. So they don't have to pay for anything, they just need to sign up. Now, you can see all the rates of how much we can actually get paid, but we are focusing on specific offers, and those specific offers are gonna be the survey websites. So you want to type in a survey right here in this search box, and it's gonna give you all those different websites. They're gonna pay you like $1.70 just to make someone sign up to that survey website. But, as you can see, we have a lot of high-paying offers here, paying a lot more than that. Some of them will pay like $2, $3, and even up to $6 per lead. But the one that we will use for this method is this one right here. This is a survey offer from Survey Junkie website. And the reason I want you to use this offer is because, first, Survey Junkie is very reliable and trusted website in the survey niche. Second, it pays $3 per lead, which is really awesome. So just click on this offer, and it will take you to this page. As you can see here, you need to join this network right here to run this Survey Junkie offer. Here you can see how the actual offer will look like, and if you want, you can preview the landing page of our offer by clicking on it. So, people will come to this website using your affiliate link, and when they see that they can earn money on this website, they will click on Join Now button right here. Then, they just need to enter their email address and just need to sign up this website. They can also use their Facebook or Google account for this, and as soon as they sign up, we will get paid $3 per person who sign up using our link. So first you need to join this network for free and then grab your referral link for this survey junkie offer from that network, and the joining process is very easy, so I am gonna skip this part. Now the fourth step, once you grab your referral link from this network, you need to go back to your Facebook post and paste your referral link on here. So whenever someone clicks on that and they sign up for free, and you're gonna get paid $3 per sign up. Now what you can do is you can also attach some PayPal earning screenshots to this, and if you don't currently have any earnings, then you can just go to Google and search for PayPal earning proofs. Then just select images option from there and it will show you many different PayPal earning proofs. You can just open up some of these, like this one right here, and save it to your device. After that, go back to your Facebook post, attach the PayPal earning proof you downloaded, and you will just post it in this Facebook group. Once you post this in that Make Money Online group, I want you to grab the link for that post. You will copy it, and before we move on, subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading latest and working Make Money Online videos. I will leave a link to her channel in the description of this video. Okay, so the fifth step is to go back to like4like.org. So, first of all, log into your Like4Like account. Now, you want to scroll down a little bit until you see this, how Like4Like works. As you can see, get free credits by liking, and they will like back. Basically, whenever you will like Facebook posts or Facebook pages, you will be credited with free points in your account, and you can use those points for getting Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Facebook video views, Instagram likes, Twitter retweets, or any of these options mentioned over here. So, once you copy the link of your Facebook post in that Make Money Online group, all you need to do is just come over to this page and click on this Add New button right here. Now click on Select Features section and select Facebook likes from there. It will show you some more fields to complete. So, here in this box you have to paste your Facebook post URL. This next box is optional, so you can leave it as blank. Then, you just need to select the credits per like, which is the amount of like you would like to sacrifice from your account for each like you get on your Facebook post. The more points you select, the faster your Facebook post will get likes. But I will suggest you to choose under 6 points for this method. So let's say we select 3 points only, then you just need to click on submit. And after that, your campaign will be active and you will start getting likes on your Facebook post. And now, you just need to collect as much credit points as possible, which you will then exchange for your Facebook post likes. And for this, the sixth step is to hover your mouse on here, and you can either like different Facebook posts, share different Facebook posts, and all. And every time you perform some of these actions, you will be credited with points. So for example, I will go with Facebook likes. So on this page, you will just click on this where it says like under this Facebook icon, and it will open up a new window where you just have to leave a like, then you can close it, and you will be credited with points in your account. You can repeat this and earn as many points as you want, which will be automatically deducted for your Facebook post likes. So, the points you will earn by liking other people's posts or by performing other tasks, those points will be used for promoting your Facebook posts. The more likes your Facebook posts gets in this group, the more it will reach out to these group members. And the more member click on your link and join the survey junkie, the more money you will make. That's it for today. Like this video, and if you want to make more money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.